If you want to export your Microsoft Edge bookmarks so you can back them up, move them to another browser, or save them for later, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. This is one of those simple tasks that can save you a lot of time and help you keep your favorite websites safe. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the favorites icon. This is the star with 3 lines next to it, and it opens your favorites or bookmarks panel. After you click it, a favorites window will appear on the right side of the screen. This is where all of your saved bookmarks are stored. At the top of that favorites window, look for the 3 dots or the More Options button right above the list of your saved favorites. Click that button to open the menu. From the menu that appears, choose Export Favorites. This tells Edge that you want to save your bookmarks as a file. As soon as you select that option, a File Explorer window will open. Now all you need to do is choose a location on your computer where you want to save the bookmarks file. You can save it to your desktop, Documents folder, or anywhere that is easy for you to find later. After choosing the location, confirm the save, and your Edge bookmarks will be exported successfully. That's it. Your favorites are now backed up and ready to use whenever you need them. This is a great habit if you're switching devices, reinstalling Windows, or just want an extra copy of your bookmarks for safety. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple step-by-step guide like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.